Dr. Arora, it's a straight battle for me, Dr. Arora. On one hand is the community of allopathic doctors being represented by Dr. Jailal. On the other hand is Baba Ramdev and perhaps many other like him who believe that they also have a cure to deal with coronavirus. Which of these two sides, on the basis of medical evidence which is available before us, which of these two sides do we go by, sir?
First of all, dear sir, my question to respected Dr. Jailal is that whether IMA is taking responsibility for quality control of medicines in this India, and now IMA will make the policies how to deal with the pandemic. So my first question is, where do IMA stands in release of coronil by Patanjali or by a health minister? Second, if they wish that all the Ayurvedic medicine should come perfect on their parameter. So again, it's a wrong wish. That wish cannot be fulfilled because two pathies are different. Two pathies have their own protocols to control the Ayurvedic medicine. There is a complete independent मंत्रालय, एक ministry है जिसको आयुष बोलते हैं, and आयुष will take care of which medicine can be manufactured, which medicine can be sold in the market, which medicine can be exported. So basically, it is a call from the Ayush Mantralaya, where IMA stands. Why IMA has a problem? And third point, very relevant point. अब आप ये देखिए कि आप कहते हैं कि डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन क्यों बाहर निकल के आए और इसको जो है हमारे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, and I was in debate with Dr. Jailal maybe 2 days back, and he was saying we are particularly angry because why doctor is coming and promoting this coronil tablet. So he is not a doctor, he is a minister. He is a minister who is promoting coronil, as well as he is saying that you please go for vaccination also. These vaccines, either it is Covishield or Covaxin or other vaccines, they are also produced by the private companies.
No, so what are you saying, sir?
Minister can, if
so,
a minister can
are
promote,
you saying,
even a prime minister can promote the private companies.
So Arora, are you then
why
saying,
they are not
Arora,
promote the Ayurvedic product which is very well tested?
Very well tested. You think that you think this coronil tablet has been through the requisite scientific scrutiny mechanism?
Of course, not by Baba Ramdev, by thousands of years studies. चरक संहिता हमारा ग्रंथ है, उसमें अश्वगंधा, गिलोय, तुलसी, they have been mentioned as proven immunoboosters, proven antiviral. So it's not a matter of 40-50 patients, it's a matter of 4,000 years practice. हमारा जो चरक है, as per Ayush protocol, Drug and Cosmetic Act 1945, Schedule 1 says that anything which is mentioned in the Charak, Sushruta and Bhagavad, they have been taken as proven document.
Dr. Jailal.
So after that, you can
it is an experience-based drug, and we have no question on that. When they put and announce that it's an evidence-based drug, whenever somebody comes as an evidence-based drug, everyone has the right to question that evidence. It is a scientific error. When there is an
evidence, but he's saying, who are you? His argument, Dr. Jailal, Dr. Arora's argument.
वो ज़्यादा proven है क्योंकि आज तक हमारी
Dr. Arora's argument, Dr. Jailal, is on what basis are you questioning Baba Ramdev?
किसी ने आज तक अश्वगंधा, तुलसी,
that's what he's saying. He's saying you don't have the right to question it.
स्टडी का उसमें ये मेडिसिन इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, after 2-3 years we see lot of side effects.
One is he asked, it is an evidence-based drug,
so basically
and that evidence and
just speak one by one. Just speak one by one. Let's speak one by one.
We are questioning.
Yeah, sure. Dr. Jailal. Yeah, Dr. Jailal. Go ahead with the counter, Dr. Jailal.
And we are questioning that whether it has been proof of that therapeutic. When they said it's an immune booster, and we are not asking for that. We are not any of these. It is not us as an Indian Medical Association they have asked.
So you have a problem. So if he says, if Baba Ramdev says, that this tablet is going to counter COVID, is going to counter coronavirus, you have a problem. If Baba Ramdev says that this is a simple boosting kind of a tablet, then you don't have a problem. Is that the argument from the IMA, Dr. Jailal?
Sir, exactly what we are saying. We believe Ashwagandha or Tulasi, all these Ayurveda drugs, you always help the individual. We are not saying Ayurveda is bad. It is indeed very good. You are saying that it's immunity drug.
Arora ji, is this coronil a cure as was being suggested by Patanjali? Is it a mere a booster mechanism then?
सी मैं पहले अपने रेस्पेक्टिव पैनलिस्ट से ये बताना चाहूंगा कि प्लीज डोंट ट्राई टू टेस्ट आर मेडिसिन, आर सिस्टम ऑन देयर पैरामीटर, एंड इफ they are not capable or I am not capable of testing my things on their parameter, it doesn't mean कि मेरी चीजें काम की नहीं है, मेरी चीजें गलत है. एंड उनकी जो बुक है इस पेंडेमिक में, they have used dexamethasone, they have used the acyclovir antiviral medicines by the clues, as an optional medicine, plasma therapy, but at last they have concluded that it's not working, but they tried it. But the only thing which the whole world accepted, that the immunity is playing a vital role, even in the prevention as well as during the treatment and even for countering the post-COVID complications.
So what is coronil, sir? Sir, tell me, give me a straight answer. अरोड़ा जी ये तो बताइए, वो इम्यूनो बूस्टर है, ये जो कोरोना किट जो है ये इम्यूनो बूस्टर है कि ये क्योर है? मतलब अगर मान लीजिए मुझे कोविड हो गया तो मैं इसको खाऊंगा तो मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगा, क्या ये मैं मानूं?
बिल्कुल.
और अगर मैं इसको खाता रहूं तो मुझे होगा नहीं, क्या मैं ये मानूं?
Listen, sir, first of all, I am telling you, sir, I am an Ayurvedic practitioner. I do 100% Ayurvedic practice. I am practicing for 20 years.
Okay.
And I treat fever by Ayurvedic medicine. I treat diarrhea by Ayurvedic medicine. I treat excessive heavy bleeding with Ayurvedic medicine. I treat tuberculosis with Ayurvedic medicine. Okay. So, अगर मैं आज ये कहता हूं कि मैं डायरिया को अपनी इस मेडिसिन से बेल से ठीक करता हूं, तो ये जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं बेल की फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स एंड फार्माकोडायनेमिक्स एज पर मॉडर्न पैरामीटर समझा सकूं. बट आई एम यूजिंग बेल फॉर 20 years टू ट्रीट द डायरिया, एंड एक्यूट डायरिया को भी हम अपनी मेडिसिन से कंट्रोल करते हैं. सो नाउ टॉक अबाउट द कोरोनिल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑफ कोरोनिल लाइक अश्वगंधा, गिलोय एंड तुलसी, दे आर प्रूवन immunity booster, accepted. So when we talk about the prevention, it is a very good medicine. When it comes to therapeutics, like cure for coronary, so as a physician, I will add something else with this tablet. As a physician, I will add something else also. So, but if you are taking just crocin, if you are taking just paracetamol, and you are suffering from
अरोड़ा जी सारे दर्शक
coronary also, then it is going to help